How to set up shipping costs on Wix. So first step, go to your dashboard. So this is my dashboard. And what I'm going to do here to start is to scroll down and then look for the settings option. You have to click this one. Now under settings, you will see these options: accept payments, getting paid, receipts, tax, checkout, booking, settings, and a lot more. So what you're going to do here is you just have to go to your settings. Okay, so here in the settings, you will see the following here, including the shipping, delivery, and fulfillment. You have to click this one. As you can see, there is a set your store shipping, delivery, and pickup rates. So as you can see here, set your store shipping, delivery, and pickup rates. You have to click this one. Okay, so here is where you can see your vision. If you want to add or if you want to edit destinations, you just have to simply click this one. So you can change the region name. If you're not currently living in Thailand, you can change this and add one or more destinations. So I have added here Singapore. You can also add other, like, let's just say Brazil, or let's just say United States. So tap this one, and after that, click save. Then you should see this region's destinations. Okay, so the purpose of this is that it refers to the targeting of specific geographical locations where your website or online store content will be directed or accessible. So for regions, these are geographic areas or countries that you can set as a target audience or as target audiences for your content or services. For destination, this typically refers to where your product, services, or content can be accessed or shipped. Like using it anymore, you can tap this. Now to add rate, you just have to click this one. And then you can add rate here, select the delivery method and rate you want to offer to customers. So for shipping, set how to calculate shipping rates for all destinations in this region. You can now click continue. So as you can see, add a shipping rate, select how the rate is calculated. So I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you the meaning of each. For example, the free shipping here. So you can see here, the free shipping offer free shipping to your customers. Okay, so for the free shipping here on Wix means that customers do not have to pay any additional charges for shipping their products. This is often used as a marketing strategy to attract more customers or to incentivize larger purchases. For flat rate shipping is when you charge a fixed shipping fee for all orders, regardless of the weight, price, or quantity of the products. For example, you may charge $5 for shipping every order. Rate by weight means the shipping cost is determined based on the total weight of the products in the order. Heavier orders will incur higher shipping fees, of course. Rate by price means the shipping cost is calculated based on the total cost of the order. For example, you could charge different shipping rates for orders below $50 or between $50 to $100. Rate by quantity is when the shipping fee is calculated based on the number of items purchased. For example, you could charge $3 for one item or 5 for 2 to 5 items and so on. So let's try this free shipping first. Okay, so you can name a checkout. Let's just say, yeah, standard shipping. Okay. For estimated delivery time, you can now add this, like, for example, 5 to 7 days. Okay, you can add 5 to 7 days and then click add rate. So it will just basically save the information here. I have changed this. Okay, so check out delivery rate, shipping standard, 3 to 5. You can edit the rate here. For free shipping, you can edit the rate here. So to edit that, you just have to click and then basically for free shipping. So of course, for free shipping, they will not pay for anything because it's free shipping. Now let's move on to flat rate. So for flat rate, you can name again checkout, standard shipping, estimated delivery time 3 to 5, checkout rate, let's just say 200, that is Philippine peso, and then click add rate. Okay, so Flat rate shipping exists as a convenient option for both online stores or online store owners and customers. So, flat rate shipping allows you to charge a single consistent shipping fee for all orders. Okay, so let's just say that your products cannot reach places like United Kingdom, something like that. So you can be very specific with your destinations here. Now you can add rate. Okay, so again, for shipping, you can add shipping here, local delivery, but this one is based on zip codes. Pickup location, so users can get their orders in person. You can communicate or make a contract or agreement with an agent here or company. So let's just say if you want to tap this shipping, then you can try this rate by weight, let's just say, and then standard shipping, estimated delivery time, let's just say 5 to 7 days, 5 to 7 business days. And then let's just say for more than 5 up to 8. Okay, so the rate is like, for example, okay, so you can set the weight range here. You can also add another range if you want. So you will see all the informations right here. You can also offer free shipping when customers purchase a certain amount. You can tap this one. And then after that, add rate. You can also try rate by price based on how many times or purchase in an order. You can also set a shipping fee for this one. Then after that, add rate. Okay, so for fulfillment services, you can manage fulfillment services. By the way, fulfillment services means it's referred to the processes and entities involved in getting products from your online store to your customers. When we say fulfillment services, it refers to the third-party companies or in-house systems that handle the storage, packing, and shipping of products to customers. A fulfiller is the person or service or company responsible for completing the order fulfillment process. The fulfiller also ensures that the order is processed, packed, and shipped to the customer according to the store's fulfillment policy. You can also assign products to fulfiller, okay? And then after that, you can choose the service here to Andy, and then you will see this product name, fulfillment service. After that, click done. Okay, so once you have set up everything here, then you can now go back. And then this time you have to set up your payment method. So go to accept payments. Okay, so it is based on your location and region. So in my case, for example, I'm currently living in Thailand. So these are the payment methods. So I can accept payment via Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and so on. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to connect my Stripe. Okay. And then add payment methods available with Stripe. Also, if I have PayPal, then it would be easier for my customers to pay. You just have to simply connect your PayPal right here. If you don't have a PayPal, you need to create one. And you just have to simply link your PayPal account. Take note from 2%, okay, per transaction. You should be aware about this one. And then for manual payment, so you can set up for manual payment, cash payment, offline payment, cash on delivery, and then add instruction right here. Okay, and then after that, click connect. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is. You just have to set up your payment method and also your shipping and fulfillment. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.